Okay, so I'm back again. It is now 12 midnight, and you can clearly see the shadow here as long as the other security lights are on. You can't really see the shadow over top of the black construction paper, but you can envision the line created, especially if I put on. There's the moon. You can envision the line created from its light. Sorry, I'm quite frustrated because the experiment was tampered with. Maybe it was a gust of wind, but I don't know. Yeah, it's quite frustrating. But let's carry on with the idea at hand. I'm trying to get the shadow here. Kind of right. Yeah, you can kind of see it on the cardboard there with the light. It gives it a bit of gradient. Like if you look over on that side, you can see it. There's the direct line from the board. You just got to focus the light away from the area. Anyway, so I moved it over, and it's only been like a few minutes since I was here last. But let's just double check, or just check again. And what do we have here? We have right about there's the best shot. Seems like it's fluctuating up and down a little, but that's pretty close to minus 2 degrees Celsius based on the Fahrenheit or the centigrade. And this is still above 0. That's a good shot of it. Try to get over more for the Fahrenheit side. That's looking pretty straight on towards it as well. Okay. Yeah, let's take some measurements here. So, just for the record, our line is like this, along here. This is in the shade. So this area over here, so that 13.4. Over here would be in the moonlight. 12.9. 12.7. Over here would also be in the moonlight. 9.5. That's in the shade. 10.4. So that's like 1 inch across. Yeah, this is not. You gotta keep this steady. Let's see. Okay, that's in the moonlight. 10.6. That's in the shade. 13 and 12, huh? 10.8. 8.8. All the rest of this is all in the moonlight. So let's see, 8.8, 7.3, 9.1. Let's go down again. 7.5, 9.1, 9.5, 8.1, 5.9. So the center here is pretty cool, interestingly enough. Out here, so 9.9, that's in the shade. That's barely in the shade, 8.2. In the moonlight, 7.2. In the moonlight up a little, 7.3. In the shade, 9.5, 9.1. A bit further along, 8.4. In the moonlight, 5.4. Whoa. Let's see where that was again. 5.4 there. And then in the shade. That's very close to the line though. Right there. You're getting consistent numbers in a straight line here. 5.9. That's all in the shade. And over here it's 5.5. Getting some inconsistent numbers. Sorry, I'm just a little jumpy and paranoid because of the fact that it was vandalized with or tampered with in some way. Yeah, anyways. Let's go.